Light takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach Earth from the Sun. Kasi yung distance ng Earth and the Sun is 150 million kilometers. So speed of light is 300,000 kilometers per second. So i-divide mo lang yan. Distance divided by speed is equals time. So you get the, so makikita mo yung Earth na position ng makikita mo yung position ng Sun as it was 8 minutes ago pa. So para ka lang nakatingin sa past. Ganun talaga ang astronomy. Pag nakatingin ka sa stars, kunyari 4 light years away yung stars, so nakikita mo na light is 4 years ago pa. So kunyari merong alien na civilization na 65 million light years away, ang nakikita pa lang nila ngayon is yung age of dinosaurs pa lang. So hindi pa nila tayo nakikita. So ganun.